You know, we are fighting very powerful people, you know. We have been fighting this fight. Most people, if you hear even on the radio, says, what if you lose? So we have said, no, there's no losing. Till we say, how can we lose? So that we continue drinking fecal matter.
The colonial government at that time realized already the importance of that forest reserve as the headwaters for the Chanimbana and the Chongwe River, as well as the aquifer for the city of Lusaka, the greater city of Lusaka.
demonstrate. We have to go to Chongwe, we have to my page. Then we demonstrate kuti if itagura na vuto ya so mwana mwana.
Tuela kumachinga kuya ku State House.
Yes.
Good pressure.
Eh? Let us do it as soon as possible. Please.
We are more than ready.
Okay.
So when it dried up, it was realized that what was causing that was the destruction or disturbance of the headwaters. So just quick, the people got together through a catchment conservation committee. 3,000 people signed a petition demanding that the president re-gazettes Forest Reserve number 27. And in 1996, President Chongwe re-gazetted the place. Unfortunately, before we knew it, these new guys now, the new Patriotic Front government, a portion of it was de-gazetted and shared amongst the cronies of PF and the president. As if that was not enough, we found some development, the housing development within the forest. Even before it was de-gazetted, no environmental impact assessment, no land use change required by law. Big houses were going, Chinese and some kind of arrangement at Zambia Air Force. In short, within a space of 2017 to 2019, 1,000 hectares of the forest was hived off, shared, left 700,000. Now, in 2011, 2012, they created a massive housing complex by Zaf. And it's about 10,000 people. They are pouring sewage, raw sewage, into Chanimbana. They had done some biodigesters, but that was for 500 people, which is now 10,000. Chanimbana is only 30 kilometers. What is happening now that all that raw sewage, it's a sewer line.
That's where we drink water. We grow our vegetables. So, how are we going to survive? Drinking dirty water. How are we going to survive?
The aquifer is I gather under the forest. If they take that away, we're in trouble. It means we don't farm because we irrigate during the dry season, you see. But also, not only that, we don't get water to drink. We don't get water out for staff. A lot of people have, about 50 people altogether when the season's on, drinking water, washing, everything. What do we do with them? If they carry on with it, we'll have to give up farming. What can we do? Leave the forest. I mean, fight government. They don't seem to be interested. Because if there's a lot of development there, that aquifer is gone. If they take away the trees, who knows what will happen.
You suspected something to say, why is water turning greenish? It was in the river flowing.